Stage collisions drive up auto insurance premiums, they tie up emergency services, and they threaten the safety and security of innocent drivers. We're pleased from Insurance Bureau of Canada that the court handed out a tough sentence showing that they will not tolerate this type of criminal behavior that places the public in such danger. The success of this prosecution is very much a result of the teamwork between Toronto Police Service, Insurance Bureau of Canada, member insurance companies, and the two Crown prosecutors. Most of this involves organized crime. Most of these are fairly structured rings that involve multiple individuals. Now, the recruiter, the tower, the body shop, the individuals within the medical clinics are linked together, and that's highly organized. The recruiter is the person who's going to set up the stage collision all the way through into the medical clinic. They first go out and they recruit 3 or 4 participants that are going to sit in a vehicle and stage the collision. The vehicle is usually an older vehicle or a salvaged or even a rental vehicle. The tower is usually right at the scene of the accident and takes the vehicle to a particular body shop. At the body shop, this is where they'll cause additional damage and they'll bill for fraudulent repairs. Then these individuals are directed by the recruiter to go to the medical clinic or the rehab facility claiming that they have soft tissue injury and complete accident benefit forms in the form of housekeeping, caregiving, income replacement, assessment and treatment plans, possibly with the assistance of a paralegal. And these are forwarded to the insurers for payment. While all this is going on, the recruiter is receiving kickbacks from the medical rehab, as much as $2,000 per person that's sent there for alleged treatment. And they're getting a kickback from the body shop, maybe up to 15% of any bill out, and they're getting a kickback possibly from the tower as well. There are different types of staged collisions that we've identified. One is called the swoop and squat, and what that is 2 vehicles intending to cause a stage collision. The first vehicle pulls in front of the second vehicle and slams on their brakes. Second vehicle hits their brakes. The innocent driver behind can't avoid the accident and rear ends the vehicle ahead. The idea is for the people who are intending to cause the collision to make the innocent driver look at fault. The other type is what we call a drive down, where they wave you to pull out of a parking spot, and as you pull out, they intentionally drive into you. And the third one is a bullet type left turn situation where you're being waved on by the driver that wants to cause the stage collision, so you proceed, and as soon as you pull in front of them, they slam on the gas and drive into you. And Insurance Bureau of Canada is asking the public to take part in preventing fraud. If you believe that somebody may be taking part in an insurance fraud, you can report it to IBC at 1-877-IBC-TIPS. You can also report a suspected insurance fraud to Insurance Bureau of Canada by going to the web at www.ibc.ca and click on Take the Time, Report the Crime, and that'll take you to a template that you can complete and send it through the internet.